Right, y'all. So I am very quickly just going to explain how you can use AI to essentially help you write your lesson plans. It doesn't need to be anything crazy. I'm going to use ChatGPT today, but there's apparently a lot of them that you can use. There's things like Brisk, there's things like Magic School AI, there's School AI, whatever one you feel comfortable with. Use it. I just use ChatGPT because it's the one that I'm the most familiar with. There are a couple ways that you can do this. One is if you are just reusing your lesson plans from last year, like I am, then you can just put it into ChatGPT and have it improve it if that's what it needs. It also can add everything that we are now required to have. And so, just really quickly, I'm just going to go over that really fast. And so, for example, um, down here, I already have like all of the prompts that I use. So I'm just going to say, please rewrite my following learning objective, and then it will do it. So I'm just going to go here. I'm going to paste it. And then this is my learning intention from last year and enter. It does take a little bit to load for my computer for some reason. Um, but as you can see, it's already starting to rewrite it. It will do everything that I asked it to do. So I just had it do all of the criteria that we are supposed to have, except for the independent practice. That's the only one that I don't do, just because independent practice for my class looks different day to day. And ChatGPT isn't going to obviously know that. And so I just do it myself. But as you can see, it's already doing my objective, my success criteria, my bell work, sub objective, you name it, it does it. So I'm going to let that one go for a while. But you can just copy and paste these into your lesson plans and you're good to go. But for those of you who aren't teaching the same thing that you did last year, or you're new and you've never done lesson plans or anything along those lines, then what you can do is you can just go to BT. I'm just going to put a random standard. So let's just do standard number 9, which is explain why nations choose to trade and how trade is regulated within those countries. Um, so I'll just put that here. It's still going to be going. And then on this one, I have a second prompt and it's just saying, based on the standard, do everything that we need to have for the lesson plan. So learning intention, success criteria, sub-objective, check for understanding, all of that type of stuff, right? Um, and I'm going to just put it here. So right before it. And look, this is the one from my lesson plan from last year. So it just does everything already. So you can just copy and paste that into your own lesson plan. So if I wanted to do the closure activity, copy, paste it, you know the drill. This is if I've never done it before. So based on the standard, lesson planning, here's a standard. Again, it takes a little bit for some reason. And learning intention, success criteria, all of that type of stuff will already be there for you. So lesson plans are going to take you like, I don't know, 5 minutes for their entire week now. Because keep in mind, this is just for the day, not for the entire week. You can set it to do the week. I just do it by the day because each day is something new. Um, because I understand that some of us are double prepped or triple prepped. So you're spending an hour and a half on lesson plans when you could be doing literally anything else. So ChatGPT does it for you. And again, I want to point out there's a lot of different other AI systems, Brisk, Magic School. All of these are free for teachers. I just use ChatGPT because it's the one that I'm the most familiar with. Hopefully this helps. It's going to keep going, but hopefully this helps if you have been struggling with lesson plans. If you have any questions or anything, let me know. I'm always happy to help out. I'm familiar with the other AI systems too, if you wanted to try those out as well. All right. Thank you.